Welcome to Stepwise with Dr. Bob. We're going to go ahead and do the minute cryptic here. I realize it might make for a terrible thumbnail to start with Google, but I also like the idea of going to the site as soon as I start the recording, so I can't get any pre-thinking in mind. There was one I caught a scan on a couple days ago, and I saw it right away, the aha, and then I felt bad that I saw it so quickly, but it was actually legit. Like I had seen it as quickly as I had seen it in the video, but um, you'll see my first view at this as we look. 7-Eleven uniform among ugliest uniforms. Okay. By member Cole Barron and Liam. So, a few initial thoughts. Seven is just the number seven, and then 11 is spelled out. Uniform is the NATO alphabet word for the letter U. Among Among sometimes means that the sentence, I'm going to look away from it for a second. The sentence or the word or phrase, in this case it says 5-4, is actually embedded in the phrase. So you just look and then you could underline it literally within there. So um, I don't necessarily see it quickly here, but it could be something like if for example, this was a thing, Glee's Toonie. That's not it, but that type of thing, like it would span, multiple letters within this, but I'm not seeing initially um, any 5-4 sequences in here that are gonna get there. Let's see. Seven. The seventh letter of the alphabet is G. The 11th is K. I'm not sure that's particularly helpful. 7-11. I think that's the way the store names it, with the seven spelled out and the 11. I'd have to look. I might not be remembering that correctly. Um, uniform among ugliest. Ugliest might be an anagram indicator. Uniforms has 8 letters. So if we put uniform, the letter U, among a rearranged uniforms, we might be getting there. So anagramming uniforms to make 7-Eleven, um, or 7-11. 7-Eleven may not be the store, but it might be. I'm trying to look for anything within here that might be a 4 or 5 letter word to help give me context on the rest. I'm going to spend a little bit on this because it makes sense. Uniform, the U among ugliest uniforms. We have the right number of letters. Firm. Um, so if I move the FI down here, the SO up here, and I don't think this is it. I don't think it's 7-Eleven is a firm per se. It's a convenience store. I'd feel great if I could see the word store or mart. Let's go um, outside of a store. 7-Eleven is a number. It's 2 numbers. It's 2 odd numbers. Nums. I see nums here. Boy, I doubt it's right though. Nums. Moving the NUS down here and moving FIR up here. Nums is not clean. I'm not a fan of that. Oh, I do see 4. It's Four, minus. Oh, that's fun. Let me just make sure here. Minus over here, the FOR with the letter U mixed in. That's fun. All right, so 7 minus 11, as I suspected. Not the um, store, but the math. 7 minus 11 is in fact -4 or -4, and you can get there by taking U from uniform, put it among uniforms messed up in the ugliest possible way. Um, -4, that's cute. Ooh, that was a par five. Haha, I feel very, very informed today. Feel lucky that I saw that eventually. Um, I don't know if we can see what the hints would have been. Um, oh yeah, you can see what the indicators are. They would have told you among and ugliest, and they would have told you the fodder, and then uniforms makes you think initially to use because if you use uniform as the NATO alphabet and then see uniforms again, some people might be thinking to use there. I can see why this one was a par five, 5 hints. So anyway, hope you enjoyed watching me struggle my way through that. Till next time.